Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we will be delving deeper into CrowdStrike. We initially published a report on our website on Monday, January 29, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analysis. Staying informed about crucial updates that can impact your investments is essential. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 30, 2023, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.31. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have witnessed an impressive gain of 72.2% since we initially recommended CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 62 days ago. This means that, on average, you would have earned a return of 1.16% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. This stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 60.44% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 48.01% to 67.80%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 140.93% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 65.57% to 104.19%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $497.83 to $613.94 after 12 months. Our latest update on CrowdStrike brings exciting news. CrowdStrike stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, January 29, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price saw a gain of 3.57%, rising from $290.31 to $300.67. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $293.75 and a high of $300.70, showing a 2.37% range. It's worth noting that the stock price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 6.11% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume on the last day also saw an increase, along with the price, which is considered a positive technical sign. In total, 134,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $878.73 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $307.55, while the lowest price was $100.74. Currently, the stock is trading 2.24% or $6.88 below its 52-week high of $307.55, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. Truist Financial recently gave CRWD a rating of underperform with a recommended action to hold. Wedbush, on the other hand, gave CRWD a rating of market outperform with a recommended action to hold. Morgan Stanley upgraded their rating for CRWD to overweight with a recommended action to upgrade. Rosenblatt Securities gave CRWD a rating of buy with a recommended action to hold. Needham also gave CRWD a rating of buy with a recommended action to hold. Analysts have rated CrowdStrike stock as a buy. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for CrowdStrike. Let's start with the positive signals in the chart. The CrowdStrike stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and moves downward, there will be support from the lines at $295.88 and $266.88. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 23.04%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume of trades is increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal 18 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 10 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 188 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 221 days ago. Remember to visit StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support levels, CrowdStrike has 2 key areas to watch. The first one is just below today's level at $273.77, and the second one is at $236.99. If the stock breaks the initial support level, it may fall further towards the next one. In this case, the next support levels are at $273.77 and $234.44. However, it's important to note that investing in this stock comes with some natural risks. The current volatility of CrowdStrike is high, meaning it can experience significant price movements during the day. The Bollinger Band, a technical analysis tool, also indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock, further highlighting the higher risk involved. Looking at recent data, CrowdStrike had a price range of $6.95 between its high and low, representing a 2.37% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.16%. Before we explore potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary setbacks due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 5, 2024. Let's take a look at some day trading levels for CrowdStrike. We don't see any significant resistance levels based on accumulated volume above the current price. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could potentially move upward quickly. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to help determine when to exit. On the downside, we have the first support level for CrowdStrike at $273.77. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, CrowdStrike has received a buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Michael Santonas conducted an insider sell of 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz conducted an insider sell of 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of -45.990. In total, insiders have purchased 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $288.17, which is a decrease of 4.16%. This stock exhibits significant daily movements, which comes with a higher level of risk. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 17 days ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? CrowdStrike is showing several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on these factors, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy recommendation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 30th, we expect CrowdStrike to open with a decrease of $2.30 and start trading at $298.37. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is a source of information, but should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Thank you for joining us today as we take a closer look at the current state of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.